Now how to share the file. So you go to this sheet, click on File, click on Save As, and then just save it somewhere in your system. So for example, I will save it here. Okay, I will call it data entry Ashim Khanna, and save it. Now I can safely close this file. Now what I will do is I will create a folder, file upload, and then I open up the folder, and then here it is, and now I open it. And now that the sheet is uploaded, now I open this, and what I simply have to do over here is I have to click on share, and here I'll type in hr@beautifulconcepts.com, and I'll type enter, and editor is okay, and then I will just simply click on send, and that's it. Then I just have to take this, and now over here in Beautiful Concepts I go to Slack and I type for Ashim Khanna, which is myself right now, and then I paste it, and I paste it here, and I post it. And that's pretty much how you share.